Welcome guys. Let's do Alpaca Finance token technical analysis and price prediction of this year 2022. Please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you all new charts and all price targets. Current rank of Alpaca Finance is 517 and price is $0.5. Market cap of Alpaca Finance is $70 million. Fully diluted market cap of Alpaca is $93 million. 24-hour trading volume of Alpaca is 8.7 million and circulating supply of Alpaca is 141 million only. Maximum supply of Alpaca token is 188, which is very low, and total supply of this token is 144 million. This is very low cap altcoin, and this is very important to me. Let me please show you some information. All-time high of Alpaca was on March 6, 2021, about 10 months ago, and price was $8.60. All-time low of this token was on June 22, 2021, about 7 months ago, and price was just 29 cents. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, KuCoin or some other exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. You can trade with $4,100 bonus in Bybit. You can trade with $4,100 in Phemex with absolute free. But only condition is that you have to deposit to claim these bounces. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you website of this token. Leverage yield farming by the alpacas for the alpacas. Here you can see TVL earn up to 47% API on these pairs, and community owned, no investor, fair launch, ordered by Certic, Slow Mist, and Peck Shield, and security score is 90 and it is very good score. You have to visit this website by your own. These are Alpaca's partner: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitmark, PancakeSwap, and some other important exchanges. This is very important token. Let me please show you first chart. This is Alpaca USDT pair 4-hour chart. It was in this descending wedge, but now it break this descending wedge towards upside, and that is a very good sign. Let me please show you. Here you can see it break this trend line, and now it have to hit 57 cents, 63 cents, 68 cents, and it have to hit 81 cents. These are coming targets. Technical target would be beginning of this descending wedge, and it is 81 cents price area. Let me please show you complete chart, complete 4-hour chart, and here you can see major support is at 47 cents price area. And let me please show you complete chart, and here you can see these blue lines are over coming targets, and this is over top $1.78. And let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon, let me please show you. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and in between this, candles have to cross this 53 cents price area. 4-hour candle closing above 53 cents means candles break this EMA ribbon. After that, definitely upside rally will start, and after that these coming targets Alpaca can easily hit. And let me please show you MACD. This is 4-hour MACD crossover towards upside, and big blue towers mean price can go further up. We have to wait because of this important breakout. This is very important breakout, and it can lead Alpaca Finance to 81 cents price area very soon. Let me please show you second chart. This is Alpaca USDT pair daily chart. In daily, it was in this falling wedge pattern. Unfortunately, it break this towards downside. In that point here you can see, and after that price got spot at 49 cents price area, and now this upper trend line is a resistance for this token. It must have to break this area, 57 cents price area. After that, upside rally will begin. Let me please mark this and let me please show you. This is our resistance area, and it is at 62 cents price area right now. Price touch this support zone, 50 cents price area. After that, price bounce back, and after that, price hit 79 cents. After that, again price found support at 50 cents price area, and it can easily hit 62 cents, 78 cents. After that, maybe this time 95 cents, 1 cent, $1, and the beginning of this falling wedge, and it is $1.47 price area. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is very strong, and it is at same price area where this horizontal resistance exists and this downtrend line exists. This box is very important to break. This box is very important, and this box area is very important to break. Once Alpaca break this 63 cents and close daily candle above this, in that case Alpaca can hit these targets very soon. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards downside, and but now towers are changing their color. Maybe we may see crossover towards upside, and after that upside rally will start very soon. I think so. But main thing is that Alpaca Finance have to break this area, 61 cents price area, and candle closing above this mean it can easily hit these targets very soon. Currently price is down. Let me please show you how much Alpaca price is down. Currently price down 73%, and it is perfect buying zone. And let me please show you fib levels for trading. Let me please do this, and let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see Alpaca hold this zone 0.88 fib level, which is 49 cents price area, and it is very important to hold this area. If Alpaca lose this area, break this area, in that case price can go down to this level, which is 33 cents price area. If price goes up and break this Fibonacci level, which is $0.64 price area, and it is 0.78 Fibonacci level. After that, next level is golden pocket, which is $0.89, and it is 0.61 fib level. After that, 0.5, which is very important, and it is at $1.06 price area, and after that so on. These are coming targets, and these are levels, fib levels for the trading, fib retracement levels. Let me please show you weekly chart. In weekly, here we can see price is at 49 cents, and this yellow line is main trend line. Alpaca have to break this main trend line. After that it can hit $1.05, 1.77 cents. Technical target would be this. Let me please show you. If Alpaca break this in weekly chart, technical target would be $1.77 price area, and after that $2.70, $3.48 price zone. And let me please show you weekly EMA ribbon. Weekly EMA ribbon is at $0.80 and it is a strong resistance. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you some fib levels for weekly trading. Let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart, and let me please do this. Here you can see Alpaca holding this area, which is very important area, 0.88, which is 46 cents price area. After next move, it have to break 62 cents price area, and it is 0.78 fib level. After that, 0.61 fib level, which is 0.88 fib, $0.88 price zone, and after that this area 0.5, which is $1.06. After that $1.25 and $1.47. These are coming targets. Note down these targets, and let me please hide this, and let me please show you target of Alpaca. Maybe Alpaca can hit these targets. Let me please show you. For this, I have to take this tool. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see in weekly Alpaca have to break $1.27 if we calculate this from top to bottom. It have to break $1.27 price area. After that next level is 0.38 fib level, which is $1.88 price area. After that 0.5 $2.38 price area, and after that 0.61, which is $2.88 price area. And Alpaca can hit this area in 2022, and this will be the target, and I think Alpaca can hit this target this year, and this is $3.60 to $4 price area. This area Alpaca can hit these targets in this year, $3.60, maybe $4 price area. This is my target for Alpaca for 2022. Till end 2022 it can hit this, and it can give you, I think so, maybe 7x, maybe 8x. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or video's description, where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. You can trade with $4,100 in Bybit. You can trade with $4,100 in Fimex, absolutely free. But only condition is that to grab these bounces, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces and you can trade with these bounces. This is risk-free trading. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.